Have you been looking for a large 5-bedroom plus new construction home in the Greenville area? Well, today you are in luck. We are going to take a tour of the Johnson floor plan by Meritage Homes right here in the brand new subdivision of Arden Woods in the Malden area of Greenville. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we service everything residential real estate right here in the upstate South Carolina area. And that includes areas like Greenville, Simpsonville, Greer, Spartanburg, Anderson, and all the surrounding towns and cities here in the upstate South Carolina area. If you are looking for a new construction home or any other home, or if you're looking to sell your home, let my team and I help you. All right, so today we're going to take a tour of this Johnson floor plan in Arden Woods Subdivision by Meritage Homes. Now, Arden Woods is about 20-25 minutes from downtown Greenville, about 10 to 15 minutes from Simpsonville. And this neighborhood, there's a pool, cabana, and a playground for the kids. There's also plenty of sidewalks, so if you like to walk, plenty of sidewalks for that. And currently, Meritage is offering up to $15,000 in assistance towards your closing costs. There's also some homes that qualify for a special interest rate of as low as 5.875% interest rate. The Johnson, as you can see behind me, this Johnson is a 5 bedrooms with a huge loft area. There's 4 full bathrooms. There's a full bath and a bedroom on the main level. And upstairs you have the master and 3 additional bedrooms up there. So there's also a covered patio. So let's go inside and take a look at it and check it out and see what you think. So as you walk up here, you see the brick siding, and above that is actually cement board siding. There are no vinyl sidings in this neighborhood. It's all cement board or some kind of stone or a brick siding. And you walk up, you have a nice front porch here. And we'll go inside here. And there is a smart entry system, so you can program a code to be able to access your front door. And as you enter, there's a flex room here. So this could be an office, formal living room, or whatever you want it to be, or a formal dining room. So as you walk through here, you got a butler's pantry, or some extra cabinet space or counter space, depending on what you need it for. Nice little walk-in pantry here. Actually big enough to be able to fill it up by shopping at Costco or wherever you shop. You have nice granite countertops. These are gray cabinets, plenty of cabinet counter space. And you got some more cabinet space in the island here, nice size island. There is a space for bar stools if you wanted to add bar stools. It does open up into this living room / dining breakfast area over here. Give us some better perspective here. Back up a little bit, pan around. Nice gas range. Brushed nickel pulls on the cabinets. Gas log fireplace there. It does run off of a switch. Plenty of windows for natural light. Give us a better perspective that goes back out to the front door. And right here is a closet, which will be a coat closet. Okay, good sized coat closet. Get some additional storage space there. All right, so on this side, you have a little mud room. And this door goes out to the garage. Two-car garage. Once it's a little bit longer on one side. And these homes in this neighborhood, they are built with tankless water heater. So you have your on-demand water heater that doesn't really run out. garage door opener in the garage. And this is your full bathroom right here. You got a full bath on the main level with the tub shower. Same cabinets that's in the kitchen. And this is the downstairs bedroom. And this could be in-law suite if you have an adult child, or a home office if you work from home. Let's check out the outside. So right here, nice size covered patio. There's a light up there. And the neighborhood was nice enough to fence that backside. Gives a little bit of privacy. All right, let's head on upstairs. And as you walk up, first thing you come to is this huge loft area here. To the left there is the laundry room. So let's go check out the master over here. So the laundry room, huge laundry room. Look at this, look at the size of this laundry room. It's got tile flooring. This is the master bedroom, nice size master. A couple of windows in here to give you some lighting. Back up on this side, a little better perspective on this. Good size room. You can definitely fit a king size bed in here. And the ensuite bathroom, tile floors as well. Nice size vanity, got some pull-out drawers and cabinets there. Five-foot shower, tile shower. There's a linen closet here. It's a good sized bathroom. You got the toilet, water closet area, and it's private. Okay, so we'll head on into the closet. Wow, look at the size of this closet. This thing is huge. And if we pan around, it actually keeps going on this side. This closet is large. So let's turn back around. Give you a little perspective here again. Shower, linen closet over there. Double sinks. These are rectangular sinks as well. Bedroom, laundry room to the right there. Back in our loft area. So you got a bedroom there and a couple of other bedrooms on that side. So we'll go check out the first one. Now this very first one, it's a good sized room. It does have the closet on this side. So you got a nice regular sized closet there. Now one thing special about this particular room, it actually has an ensuite bathroom as well. So you got an ensuite bathroom with the tub shower, same color cabinets that's in the kitchen, brushed nickel pools. All right, there's another closet here. Nice closet spaces in this house. And the fourth bathroom, actually, not third, because there's a full bathroom downstairs. So this is the fourth bathroom. Again, with the tile floors, tub shower. It also has a double sink. Double sinks in here. And same cabinet that's in the kitchen. And another linen closet. Okay. And as we come out here, there's another closet. Okay. Then you have 2 bedrooms on this side. Let's check this one out first. This bedroom here. This one actually has a walk-in closet. So nice closet spaces in this house. This one here also has a walk-in closet. Well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed our tour. Now, like I said, this particular Johnson floor plan here is just under 3,000 square feet. It's like 2,995 square feet for this home right here. As it sits right now, this home is currently available at $424,900. And like I said, the Meritage Homes is offering up to $15,000 in closing costs right now. And some of the homes actually qualify for as low as 5.875% interest rate. So if you are interested in this home or any other new construction homes for sale in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, let my team and I help you. Reach out to us, we'd love to help you. 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available properties for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.